If you're the type that loves suya and have been thinking of how to make your own suya at home, then this video has got you covered. Welcome guys. In today's video, I will be sharing with you how to make Nigerian beef suya. So I'll start by cutting my beef, which I've already washed and cleaned behind the camera. So I'll go ahead and slice the beef and make it very flat. In today's video, my special visual hug goes to Channel Wars from America, Super Groover from Vancouver, BC, Canada, and also to Zoe Gallery. I'm glad you love the recipe. If you want me to give you a visual hug in my next video, please kindly comment where you are watching me from in my comment section. And after flattening the beef, next I will cut them into smaller bits. And after cutting them into smaller bits, I'll transfer them into a bowl. And next, I will add some soya spice. If you want to learn how to make soya spice, please check the description area for the video link. And after adding the soya spice, I'll also be adding to it some vegetable oil. Then marinate the beef with the ingredients. And after marinating, I'll cover with a cling film and set aside for about 4 hours. And after 4 hours, I'll be bringing it back and we'll move to the next step of making our suya. And next, I'll arrange the beef in a skewer stick. So here are my skewer sticks. So I go ahead and begin to arrange them. Please, if this is your first time of seeing my videos, I want to say thank you so much for clicking to watch. Kindly click on the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell so that when I upload new videos, you will be notified. And to all my wonderful family out there, I want to say thank you so much. You've been so amazing. And after arranging a skewer stick, transfer to an oval tray. Repeat the same process for the remaining ones, and here we have it. And next, I'll coat them with the soya spice, then transfer to the oven tray. Repeat the same process for all the suya. And after coating them with the soya spice, I'll top once again with vegetable oil before taking them to the oven. And as you are doing this, preheat your oven for between 5 to 7 minutes. And after adding the vegetable oil, take to the oven and allow to grill for about 40 minutes. And after 40 minutes, here we have our suya well grilled. This looks so nice with great aroma. And next, remove from the oval tray and transfer to a serving plate. Suya can be enjoyed with any drink alongside with vegetables. And if you find this very helpful, kindly like and share. Thanks for watching.